Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a free website for affiliate marketing. I'll be showing you 3 different platforms you can use. The first example that I'll be showing you, all you'll need to do is Google Webflow, and then you're going to tap on webflow.com, and it will lead you to this page on which you can log in quickly with your email address. So you can sign up with your email address. Once you have signed up with your email address, you'll be led to this page, and you can simply tap on Start New Site. And the beauty about Webflow is you not only get a new website for completely free, but you will also get free hosting. As you can see here, create new site, and you can simply scroll down. And from here you can select the theme that you would like to use, or you could use a blank theme. For this example, I'll simply select this one, and then you can give the site a name. And as you can see right here, it is creating the site, and it will take a few seconds. While that is creating, I'll show you the second platform that I would recommend. The second platform is Wix, and you probably have heard about Wix.com already. And with Wix, you'll be able to start a new website for affiliate marketing for completely free. And when you start making money on Wix, you can upgrade your plan. So the first thing you'll do is tap on Get Started. And from here, you can simply tap on Continue with Google. Or if you had already signed up, you can enter your login information right here. I'll simply tap on Continue with Google. Then you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's quite easy to sign up, and again, it's completely free, and it doesn't require a credit card or anything like that. And once you have signed up, you'll be led to this dashboard right here, on which you'll be able to select your theme, and you can start creating your layout of how you would like your affiliate website to look. Let me go back to Webflow, and you can see right here, and this is it. So you'll be able to set up your site. You can tap on Structure Your Site. And once you are finished, you can simply come down to Publish Your Site right here. You can simply tap on this. Once you have completed all the steps, you'll be able to publish your site. And again, it's completely free to do, as it is with Wix. And the third option that I'll be showing you is Google Sites. And you probably have heard about Google Sites. You'll simply type in Google Sites, then you'll tap on Google Sites Sign In, and you'll be led to this page. And from here, you can select the theme that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, this one right here. And once you have selected the theme, you'll be able to edit it. And any one of these websites you can use to start promoting your affiliate programs. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.